All right, so this activity, I kind of use football to tie in the real world connection between for ENR1, which is our place value, and then we're doing adding, addition, and we also do rounding. So I gave them this picture from this weekend. If you know, you know. So I had them to see, think, wonder, and we just kind of jotted down a couple of things. Some people even made a connection to the clouds, and one of the questions was how many people, which is where I was trying to get them to go. Then the next thing we looked at, each group had made their prediction just based on what they knew. So I kind of wrote the predictions in the table, and I even gave my own prediction. And then the next thing we did was use this word problem. I gave them the background information from the picture about the University of South Florida and the Florida Gators in the game that happened on the 6th, and how many people approximately attended. So their question was, which of the followings could be the exact attendance? So they had to round each of the answer choices to see which one rounded to 45,000, which is one of their standards. Then we kind of looked at the answer, and I gave them who won the game and the reason why. It was so important, there was so much attention gone that was given to this game. And then the next thing I had them to do was to take their estimates and add them together to see what the total was. And then the last thing was the subtraction connection. They had to take my projection or my estimate and subtract it from 45,000. And that was their assignment.